Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you through the next step. So the first thing you need to do is open up the sample CSV again. Okay, which we're going to get rid of this, all of this content here. Okay, now, depending on the amount that you're actually posting, there'll be different ratios per day. So some pages may get 12 posts per day, some pages may get 8 posts per day, some may get 6, for instance, which is what we're going to be doing with this one. So you need to do 4 weeks worth of content at a time. Sorry, 2 weeks worth of content at a time. So we're posting 6 pieces of content to the Whole Lot of Women page. We're going to post that for 14 days, do a batch of 14 days, so 6 times 14 equals 84. So from here, you do not need to include the image. We're just going to grab, you click, drag, so copy. So we're going to go up to 87 here for the content. Okay, that means that we're grabbing the captions and the images so that we can create an individual report which will be the first batch of content. So I'm going to press save as, save it to the content folder that you've created. Okay, Whole Lot of Women hyphen batch 1. Okay, you can abbreviate the page name if you want. Whatever system works for you, it's fine, provided you know exactly where everything is. So WLW batch 1. Okay, and then just press save. And then you can, you can close that down. You need to press save again because you need to remember where it is. And then you can go to your next one. We can get rid of all of this content now. Okay, let's bring it up to 87. Okay, and then just press delete. And in fact, if you go over to the right bar, then press right and then cut and then delete. No, that's not working for whatever reason. That's really frustrating. Okay, so I shall scroll down using that. That should do the job. Okay, right click, delete. There we go. So if you right click and delete, that's the way to do it. Okay, then you know that this is the next batch of content. Okay, so if you scroll up to 87, that using mathematics, you know that you have another batch of content for 2 weeks at 6 posts a day, which you can then put into your next CSV. Get rid of this. Just going to go back and copy that all over again. Okay, so literally copying the actual content and then the text. And Control V to put it back in again. Now, whilst we're on this one, something I didn't show you in the last video is when the content runs out, I told you earlier on that we need to make sure that the image is going all the way. So there's an image type for every single piece of content. However, also you'll notice that these images, there's no content, and we don't need these because it will stall the machine. It will make the machine go a little bit funny. So you can literally scroll down and get rid of those. Okay, so delete and then save this as we're going to save it as back in your content folder. Okay, and we'll call it batch 2. Okay, So the reason we like doing this is we're always working in advance. We're never getting to a point where we're running out of content or anything like that. Obviously, you then just follow this process through until you've emptied the CSV. If you get to the point, the original CSV, if you get to the point where you can't make a whole batch of content, either contact one of us, either Yoel or myself, or just if it's literally 3-4 bits of content missing, just don't even worry, just delete that. Don't try and make another batch out of them. And that's it. I'm going to show you what to do with these now you have them ready and prepped for the auto scheduler. Okay, thanks a lot.